Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn using ChatGPT functions in Python. So let's quickly explain functions in Python. So just I am asking ChatGPT AI tool to what the response I'll get it. Basically, functions will be used to programming language to reusing techniques. Like once we've written a code, to get more number of times we need to reuse the code, the purpose only functions will be used. A particular specific task. So functions allows you to break down the complex program into small chunks and make sure to integrating using object-oriented program, and this code is a more manageable and it will help us to making wherever we require the small functionality to assemble and understand and reuse. Even the testing of the modules are also very super easy. The purpose only functions will be used in any programming language. So here using a def keyword to defining a function. So define a function name, what the arguments we need to pass to the function, we can specify one or multiple. So return keyword is using to get the result from the output of the function repeatedly. So here is the description very clearly which is used to like what I have explained right now. Now see a simple, very simple function it is given. Just take a copy. I'll explain here in our code editor. So function, and also you should remember very greatly, you should remember any name ends with the open and end parenthesis will be called as function. So simply here add open and end here, no, this is the function will be called as function, and without class we are prepared this one, no, it is a function. If the same function is added inside the class program will be called as method. This is a very important you to understand. So defining a keyword, name of the function, all the lowercase letters only by writing the function. There is no space, no capital letters, no numbers, no special characters. Okay, only underscore is as eligible to write the even like the function name, and two arguments it is passed created for it is here it is called as parameters. All right, these are the things you should understand very clearly. So here the function we are calling, these two will be called as data arguments. That these particular things will be changed, keep on, but these things are not changed. These values are going to be like a variable. It will be assigned to 3 will be assigned to A, 4 will be assigned to B. So the similar understanding is important. When I call this function, it will be called here and assigned 3 to here and 4 to here, and come to here the like A plus B applied A plus B arithmetic operator, and the result will be stored in here. The return keyword will be throw out the result to back to assigning this result to here in the sum variable. This variable I am using as a print the output. If it is two numbers the same 3 to 4 and the value is going to be 7. Let me test it by running this function. Wow, 7. That's it. If you are passing like a B instead of like something, you know, when I am passing string variables, it will be concatenated by A plus B. Let's check the example. M is my initial and SEKHR is the two variables like a strings I am passing. What wonder it will happen? M shaker. That's it. Plus it's a like this is the operator. If it is a number, it will be calculate. If it is a string variables, it will be like a concatenate or append the things. That's it. Hope this is a very helpful lecture for you to practice more and more. If any parameterized and the default parameter functions, these things you try to learn by yourself. Thank you.